Did you know that you could stop feeling anxious in about 19 seconds? Well, today I'm going to show you how with our anti-anxiety juice. Anxiety is such a common thing at the moment through family members, friends, work colleagues, and I just wanted to share with you just something that you could do to perhaps if you're feeling anxious throughout the day, you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling a sense of being out of control, what you can do to really bring that back in a quick, sharp way. You can come back to me now. And I believe that you can help your anxiety in just 19 seconds. And what I mean by that is that imagine you're going in your day right now and you're feeling anxious and you don't know what to do, and you've got things happening in your mind, you've got this chitter chatter happening. It's time to stop. And I want you just to stop now. And I want you to take a deep breath in. And when you take a deep breath in, jump into your stomach and allow it to really breathe from your stomach. Not up here, here. And I guarantee as soon as you do that, your breath will slow down, your heart will slow down, and your body will begin to relax. And if you just took a moment, whether you're walking from one room to the other, or whether you've sent an email and you have a break between emails, or you've just put petrol in the car, whatever it is, you could stop for 19 seconds in that moment and you could take a few short, deep breaths. And that is how you can change that whole moment around. Now, after you've done that, I would love to give you a recipe today where you can help to allow the nutrients to go into your body through carrots, cabbage, and coconut. 3 C's, and the 3 C's are packed with vitamin C, packed with antioxidants, and adding in the coconut, it's going to allow the nutrients to flood your body in a really quick pace. So I'm going to put the juice together today so you can start to add all these nutrients and things in to go hand in hand with all the meditation, with all the breathing, with all the mindfulness things that we can start to do to help the anxiety. So today I'm working with about 5 carrots. So I've got a few little ones on the side here, but it probably equals about 5 big carrots. I've got like a big handful of purple cabbage, and I've also got like a cup of coconut water. And all we're going to do is mix them all together. It's packed with vitamin C, like I mentioned, and adding these vitamins into your body is really going to help you feel better about yourself. It's going to help you feel more in control of what's happening out there, and it's going to help this monkey mind. So let's get juicing. So I already added my coconut water into the juicer this time around, just to make sure the cabbage and carrot was going through, because it can get a little bit dry. So adding the coconut through, it's all there ready to go. And you can definitely taste the cabbage. It's not as sweet, but I guarantee combining this with just some deep breathing throughout your day is going to allow those nutrients to soak in, and let's take control back, yeah? Let's take control of our anxiety and control of your life and just see what happens.